So much of what's great about the web just doesn't work on mobile, like app-to-app linking. Say you browse a movie review on Rotten Tomatoes. If you want to see if it's playing at your local theater and buy tickets, you can't just tap a link. You have to leave the app and search again in another app. It's a pain for users. It's an even bigger pain for developers. For starters, there's no easy way to figure out if another app supports deep links. You've got to hard code every integration with every other app. Need to invoke another app? It's tough. Competing deep linking standards and no true cross-platform solution mean we're left with an opaque, fragmented ecosystem. AppLinks solves all that. It's an open, cross-platform solution for app-to-app linking. Got a website? Just add a few tags to your HTML to map between your web content and your mobile content. That way, people can link directly into your app. AppLinks, from app to app, in a snap.